Welcome to Little Friends, where we explore and learn about the wonderful world of animals. Let's have some fun together. Hi kids, welcome to our farm. Today, we're going to meet 10 amazing farm animals. Let's go. First, we have the cow. Cows are known for giving us milk. They love to graze on grass and have big, friendly eyes. Can you moo like a cow? Moo. Next, let's visit the chickens. Chickens lay eggs that we can eat for breakfast. They cluck around all day. Can you cluck like a chicken? Cluck, cluck. Look at the pig. Pigs love to roll in the mud to stay cool. They have snouts for sniffing out food. Can you oink like a pig? Oink, oink. Here's a fluffy sheep. Sheep give us wool to make warm clothes. They love to eat grass. Can you baa like a sheep? Baa, baa. Now, we see a horse. Horses are strong animals used for riding and farm work. They love to run and play. Can you neigh like a horse? Neigh. Look at the goat. Goats are very curious and love to climb. They give us milk and cheese. Can you bleat like a goat? Baa. Here's a duck. Ducks have webbed feet and love to swim in ponds. They quack all day long. Can you quack like a duck? Quack, quack. Meet the donkey. Donkeys are strong and can carry heavy loads. They are very friendly animals. Can you bray like a donkey? Hee-haw. Now, let's see the turkey. Turkeys have big feathers and make a gobbling sound. They are often seen during Thanksgiving. Can you gobble like a turkey? Gobble, gobble. Last but not least, we have the rabbit. Rabbits are quick and love to hop around. They have long ears and eat vegetables. Can you wiggle your nose like a rabbit? Wow, we've met so many amazing animals today. From cows to rabbits, each one has something special about them. Thanks for joining us on this farm adventure. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fun adventures. Bye for now.